The first step to bring a technology to your organization is understand the technology. That you're not just bringing its power to your organization or to you as an individual, you're also bringing along with it all the risks which it carries. So I would definitely start with education. And for example, there are various training programs. Trendig is producing a series of programs of its own. We have a tester-focused program, for example, on GenAI, which you could try, of course. So in case you really want to find it for free, you'll find that as well, right? But look for a good program in whichever way. Come to us, go anywhere else, doesn't matter, but learn. Learn, pick a good problem to do a proof of concept, evaluate the risks, start small, start simple, but start somewhere. Don't keep delaying it, yeah? And then as you see the results, be skeptical about it. Don't be carried by hype. Don't be carried away by fear. And you would find a space of GenAI in your work.